Tamilarasi, Tamilarasi, ஐய தமிழில் ஒரு துளி.
Hi kids. Something's missing. Can you kids tell me what it is? What could it be? Is it a book? No, it's not a book. Oh, you're busy. Okay. Where did you come from, Gwen? Okay, I don't know where you came from, but okay, at least you came. Because I thought someone was missing and then you just popped up. Okay, Gwen. So today we're going to read chapter 6.
6. Do you remember chapter 5?
Yeah, if you haven't checked out from chapter 1 to chapter 5, all those letters we have done, so please go check them out. Okay, now let's start, Gwen. Gwen, what letter is this?
N?
Yes, it's the letter N. Say it again, kids. N.
Wait. N again. That rhymes.
Yeah. Okay. Wow, this looks like a very beautiful picture, but at the same time, it looks like a very sad picture.
Beautiful, but sad.
Can you tell me why?
I know.
Why?
If you guys know that I found a nest in the back of our door, and the 2 nests. And I see the same thing here with 2 birds, like the first one I saw. But this one is much more sad.
Okay, can you tell me about this picture, Gwen?
There's a mama bird and 2 babies in a nest. Do you know what's a nest?
Does everybody know what's a nest?
If not, a nest is where baby birds be.
Aww, do you like baby birds, Gwen?
Yeah, I even found one in behind our door. They're so cute.
Okay, Gwen. What else is that?
A net on top of the nest.
That's not very good, right? There's a net on top of the bird. That's very bad. Yeah. So in this picture there are some birds which are called nightingales. Okay? These are nightingales.
Nightingales. Have you ever seen a nightingale?
No. But have any of you seen?
I've seen it in pictures.
Oh.
But I've never seen a real nightingale.
So that birds are nightingales. And then we have a nest, a net, trees, and nuts.
I want to tell you something. If you've seen a nightingale, if you were to wonder, nightingale, do they come in the night?
Maybe.
Because they're called nightingales. Do they come in the night?
Maybe. Okay, let's start. Net on a tree.
Net on a tree. I'm the net, and you're the
Tree.
And your hair is the birds. And your foot is a bird, and your hair is a nest.
Yeah, the net is on top of the tree. Okay, let's start. The nightingale saw a nest on the tree. On the tree were its nest. In her nest, nest were her chicks. Oh no, that's very bad, right? So that tree is over a net, and there's a nest with his baby birds.
So I'm a bird, and you're the net.
tell me about this. About this picture. Can you please talk about it?
Nails and why did the nightingale holding nails? And
Nails and...
here's a hint. The next thing. You use it for sewing dresses. Do you know?
Yeah. What is it, Gwen? Do you know? It's a needle.
Needle. If you ever watch like any movies, here's one. Remember, here's a hint. It has fairies and a needle.
Whatever. Okay.
It has Maleficent in it.
Oh, okay. Okay, Gwen. Gwen, what's this nightingale holding?
A knife!
Ah, creepy.
Is it the guy, the babies?
That's very good, actually. Okay, Gwen. Can you tell me about this picture a little bit more?
There, right here, there was one of the same birds. Seemed to be
Yeah, the mama bird is basically helping its baby birds, right? Don't your parents help you guys? The same way.
One time, in my grandparents' bed in the sideway, my leg accidentally got stuck in the side.
Ah, that's
And my parents helped me. It's like being trapped in a like this story.
okay, Gwen. Other nightingales flocked to help. They cutted the net with knives, nails, and needles.
So, like, they used materials that are sharp to cut the net.
Yeah.
And then the babies were like that.
Aw, this picture is so happy. Tell me about it, please.
The nightingales are eating nuts.
Do you like nuts, Gwen?
I never ate the acorn.
Well, at least have you eat another nut like cashew nuts or badams or...
Yeah, I ate that.
Yeah, okay. Kids, have you ate anything like that? Please let us know in the comments below.
And please tell us how nuts taste. Like
No, birds only eat or acorns forever, I think. Okay. The nightingale hugged her chicks.
I'm the chicks.
It thanks her friends. They all ate nuts, saying, Okay, one. A short recap of all the words that we saw that were on
But
the letter.
before that, I want to tell something. If you had claws like a bird, what would you use it for?
What would you use it for, Gwen?
I would probably use it for cutting nuts. And since they're so sharp, I could even sharpen a knife.
Kids, what would you do if you have sharp claws? Comment us down in the comment box. Okay.
Oh, and don't forget, always practice.
Yeah. Okay. So we're going to do a little recap of the letter N and its words, okay?
Okay.
Let's see. Nightingale. Net. Nest. Nails. Needles. And
Nuts.
and nuts. You're right, Gwen. Do you remember everything?
Yeah.
Can you tell me the letter N sound one more time, kids? Yeah, won't you tell it? You're right. Good, Gwen. Okay, let's go to question time.
Question time.
Okay, Glenn. First question. What happened to the chicks in the tree?
Got caught in the net.
Is that very sad for you?
Yeah, kind of like I have this. It's like I got caught by a net, but instead I got caught in a foldable table.
What? Okay. Question number 2. How did they feed little chicks?
Is this a different question?
No, it's for the story. Did you guys listen? I think Boone didn't listen. What do they use to take out the chicks from the net?
A knife, a needle,
And the last one. Does anybody know? Does anybody know? I think Boone does not know. Do you know Boone?
needle.
You said needle. You said knife. The last one.
It is a...
Your answer?
Yes.
Nails. I hope you all got that right. But that's okay, Boone. Good
This
try.
is the third time. Every time. If you ever remember the 3 times when I only got 2 correct.
Okay, let's go to the third question. What were they eating when they freed the little chicks?
Nuts. And they hug their babies.
Yeah, and one last question. What were they saying when they ate the nuts? You're right.
Can you say that, kid?
Let's say the letter and its sound. N, N,
And
It's a very fun sound, right? Super, Buen. See you at activity time. Bye.
bye.
Boban! Boban! Where are you? Boban? Shh. How did you come here, Buen? Oh, never mind. Buen, I wanted to do some activity.
What activity?
The N sound activity.
Okay, let's start.
So first, you may pick any color and color this N. But before that, you had to say all these pictures.
Is that an egg or a nest? Nest?
You're right. Then this,
A knife?
this.
And needle?
No, it's nails.
Nails.
And this,
A nose.
this.
Cashew nut.
Nuts.
Nuts.
What is this? Needle thing.
Needle pen. Yeah, it's a needle pen.
Okay. Now you can start coloring, Bluan.
Let's see what options.
That's Bluan's coloring. If you haven't seen our other videos, please go check it out now. Super, Bluan. You finished the capital N.
Yay, I finished the capital N.
Now you have finished the lowercase n.
Okay, let's start.
Super, Bhuvan. You finished the lowercase n too. Bhuvan finished the both capital N and lowercase n. Bhuvan, before we go into the next activity, can you show me all these pictures one more time?
Nest, 9, nail, nose,
Nuts.
nuts, and needle pen.
I don't know what picture this is. I just think it's a needle pen, but okay, please tell us. What
Is
is
there anything called a needle pen?
Okay. Now, you're going to write the capital N and the lowercase n. Here. Start writing.
Okay.
Remember, you should also do this writing practice at home. And Bhuvan, make sure you say the letter and its sound. N, N, N. Okay?
Oh, and also, don't forget, always, if you have the book, like me, always remember, you can follow us, like the same thing I'm doing.
Okay, we'll continue. Make sure you say the letter and its sound.
N, 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 N,
Wow, you're fast.
N,
Do it carefully. We're not in a rush. It's not it's Super, Bhuvan. You finished the capital letters. Your tongue should be up. Yeah. Is it N? It's This tongue should be facing the up. Yeah, that sounds not no. No, Bhuvan. That tongue should be up. Yeah, that's how you say the pronunciation. Make sure you pronounce it correctly. Stop that, Bhuvan. Super, Bhuvan. You finished the lowercase n's too. Should we go on to the last activity?
Yeah.
You're just making me laugh. Wow. Can you tell me all these pictures one more? Oh. This is nibbed.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. So I just realized This is not a needle pen. It's a nib. I just realized that.
Is anything called a nib?
Yeah, it's like the point. I get that now. Yeah, okay. Say all these pictures one time before you start writing.
Nest. 9. Nail.
What's that?
Needle. Nut. Nib.
You ready? Nurse.
Nurse. Nose. Net. Have you ever heard of net in our end story?
Yeah, did you run?
Yes. Someone got me a net.
Yeah. Okay, Wayne. Now I need you to say N nest while you're writing. Something like that, okay? And 9 N nail. Okay?
Okay. Nest. And 9. And nail. And needle. And nut. And nib. And nurse. Have you ever seen a nurse before?
Of course. Have you ever?
I never seen a nurse, but I have seen a doctor.
Okay.
Nose and neck.
Super, Glenn. Tell me those pictures one more time.
Okay. Nest. 9.
Okay.
Nail.
Good.
Needle. Here's what a needle's for. Threading and
For sewing.
Yes, sewing. Ta-da! I press.
Okay. What's this?
Nut. Nib. Nurse. Nose. Net.
Super, Glenn. You finished all the activities.
I must clap for myself.
Yeah, you did a good job today, kids. Bye.
ஹாய் கிட்ஸ், எனக்கும் என் தம்பிக்கு டிராயிங், கலரிங், கிராஃப்ட்னா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். உங்களுக்கும் பிடிக்குமா? அப்போ உங்களோட டிராயிங், கலரிங், கிராஃப்ட் ஒர்க் எல்லாம் எங்களோட வெப்சைட்ல அப்லோட் பண்ணுங்க. தமிழரசி ஃபேமிலி கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் போடுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. That's it.